So hello everyone, welcome to class 4. In this class we'll be learning how to create this cartooning style of wardrobe inside Blender using Polygon modeling techniques. So let's drag and drop this image into the front view. Okay, so now just scale it. Just adjust the position of this. Let's push it back. Okay. So once you have done this, you have to start by creating a polygon cube. So once we draw the cube, just make sure that this is aligned properly. Because once you've drawn the cube, now you have to start adding. So we'll just start modeling from this point. I need to bring this more inside. So now it is fine. Okay, so let's start modeling this. So first we adjust the scale of this here. So from here to here, it is fine. Now go here and change it to X-ray mode so I can see the background how I'm modeling. Okay, so once you are done, now to edit this box inside Blender, you have to go to this called edit mode. Okay, so inside edit mode, you'll see there are different edit modes. So there are vertex, these are called vertex. Each point is called vertex. Each of this segment is called line, and this is called face. Okay. So we'll be start using this face to extrude this out. Okay, so we'll just select this face and just go to this extrude tool. E is a shortcut for that, so press. Now get this manipulator, you can just scale it up like this, and then you just scale the object like this. Again press extrude. Just scale it. Okay, so just do the blocking of this fast. So again press extrude, just move it up like this, and I just want to scale like this. Okay, so now to get this kind of bend shape, we need to add some segments over here. Okay, so to add any kind of segments inside Blender, you have to go to this tool called loop cut. So just add some segment here like this. Just add segment here like this. Just add segment like this. Okay, so now we can go to vertex mode and you can start adjusting this. So select all the vertex. Select all these vertex, push it. Take all this, push it. And just move towards the right like this. Okay, so once you are done this part, now what you have to do is you have to create this top part of this. So go to this object mode. Let's scale this. So what top looks too small, so let's scale it like this, little bigger size. Now select this top face. Under this face, we need to select. Okay, so once you select these faces, you just extrude once up, press E, and just lift this up till the height of it reaches that. Okay, so once you're done, now you have to select all these faces from all the sides. and I need to extrude out. So let's extrude this. So go to again this extrude, and this time I'll just go to extrude along the normal and just pull this out. So how much we want, I can just pull this out. So this is what I want, this much height. So that's fine. So you can see this. Now if I just come out of this X-ray mode, this is what we have, this wardrobe now. So now what you want to do is you want to create this base. Again, you can just extrude this out from this base. So select this face. Okay, and extrude this down. Then I'll just extrude this out. So we have this extrude. Just extrude this down till here. Okay, so now I have to select all these faces and extrude outside. So select the polygon. Now go to this tool. Start selecting these faces. Okay, so let's extrude this out again. So again this time you have to extrude along the normals. And just extrude till here. That's fine. Okay, so once you have done this, now we can select the loop over here. So go to edge, select this edge, select this. Go to select option, loops, edge loops. Go to scale tool, and I just want to scale this like this. So because we want the shape of this little bended like this, and this axis also, if you just want to scale it. Okay, so if you want some kind of curve over here, you can just add one segment here. So go to this, add one segment, and then go to scale, just scale it inside. Like this to get this bend. Okay, so once you are done, now what you have to do is you have to create this door, and you also have this smaller doors for that also. What is the X-ray? Okay, so we already have the segments. We need to add some segments here for this door. So let first add some segments for the door. So I'll just add one segment here. Just add some segment here. Then add some segment here. So that is fine. Okay. So now I'll just create a door for this. Now come out of this X-ray. So we have created these segments. Now go to this, select the polygon faces over here. Like this. Select this polygon faces also. And I have to go to this tool called inset faces. So let's insert this faces little inside. Like this. Okay, and you just pull this out. Again, extrude. And let's pull this out. Just put it inside instead of bringing out. So you can see that how we create the doors over here. The same way we'll be just creating this. Okay, so just insert it and then we'll just push it inside. Suppose this is the face now. I can select all these faces. Okay, so this much we don't want, so I'll just go to X-ray And I'll just create one segment here. So go to segment tool and just add one segment. Here, that's it. Now select only these faces. Okay, so go to face. Come out of X-ray. So just want to select only this face. Okay, now just start extruding. Inset. There is inset face. Just inset. Okay, so little bit you do inset like this. Okay, so now just extrude it inside. Then again, what you can do is you can just inset little bit here. Now I just want to extrude this out this time. Just to create this shape. Okay, so now I just want to create this handle over here. So you have to just select using the cube. Again, you will be just creating the cube and doing this. So let's go for come out of this object mode. Now go to create modeling, add one cube. Let's add one cube. Yes, so it is smaller size like this. Over here, adjust this. Next, so go X-ray. You just have to place it here. Just bring it out. Okay, so this will be not this much thick, so I can just adjust the scale of this. Next, to come out of X-ray again, you can see this is what we have the cube. So give some distance for this. Okay, so this has become something wrong because we have scaled in not in a proper way. So let's adjust this. So go to this edit mode, go to vertex, and I just want everything to be in the same place. So let's select this, everything. So all of the vertex needs to be selected. So select all this vertex, and you just align this properly. So it should be straight. I think I missed some of this. Okay, so go to this wireframe mode and then you select. So if you have just missed something, so this, now just make sure that it is straight around this part. Okay, so backside also you can just hold shift and select this. I think everything I just selected. So only the top part you need to adjust. So control and deselect this, and then you start pushing this straight. So this is fine now, so it looks fine. Now just adjust this handle. So go to object mode, this part. Now let's select this object. And adjust this according to this piece. So just zoom in over here closer. That's it. So we'll start modeling this handle now. So let's select this object, model object, this one. So we need to add some segments for this. So to edit mode, add a loop cut tool. Just add one segment here, just add one segment here. And I can just pull this out. So select the face now. Zoom in, just go close to this faces. Hold Control and deselect surface. So zoom in, shift and select this face. Okay, so now just extrude, press E on the keyboard and just do this. So this is what I want. Go to object mode, then go to move tool, just fix it here. That's it out. So this is this side door. Now I can just duplicate it. Shift D on the other side. Same things. We can just copy and place it. So if you want a little thinner, scale this. So go to scale tool and scale like this. This also. Yes, the same thing will be here. So just duplicate this. Shift D. It here. Here also we have this. So just rotate it. I can type 90. Okay, so now you can just place this in this place. Place. Let's adjust here. And bring it down. Just pull this out. If you want to pull more out, you can just pull it out. And check this. So I think this is fine. So you need to scale it more size. You can just go for scale to scale it to a smaller size. And then you try to place it. Okay, so again, Shift D, press escape, and then you just adjust the position of this. That's fine. Now just start giving the color for this. So just now we'll just start giving the color and render this model. So first you just fix the camera. So just scale it. Okay, so this is my camera view and I just want to scale this camera so I can see my object inside this view. Adjust the camera up. Now I'll just create some plane below. Let's go and add one mesh, create a plane, and scale this, scale this much bigger size. Please select this object. You have this material editor. Select this. Add a material to this. I just want to add little darker brown color. And to see that material, you can just click it here. So I can see that I just added a darker brown material to this. So for this inside part, I have to go to the faces, edit mode, select the faces. I will just select this face and I'll just give some different material for this faces and select all these faces. And create one more material, new, and assign this material to that and just change this to lighter. That's it. Okay, so now I just want to give some material for this also. Let's come out of this mode. So let's select this too, this also. And let's give some material for that too. So let's give that a yellowish. So this is material 3. So you have to select this and name it as material 3 on this. Material 3. And so just you are inside this camera view now. So now what you have to do is you have to just do the lighting. So select the light and make it as sunlight intensity to 2. And go to this render settings. We have this render properties. In that you choose cycles. So once I click on the cycles, now if I just go to render and render image, I will be able to render that our model.